All right. Look, I am here with Miss Beautiful Hannah from Russia.
Hi.
In this beautiful new townhome in Irvine. We just finished her Brazilian cherry wood floor, got one more coat. And Miss Hannah, how was it?
It's amazing. There's just so much more airy in the house, and I felt like as if it was a museum when I first got in, but now it's just a really bright, beautiful kind of modern house where the kids will play and will enjoy their life here.
And grow up for here. And then how did you find this, Miss Hannah?
The experience of working with Brian was amazing. Like, he just kind of listened to us and made it a reality.
Yeah.
So really timely and everything
Thank you so
just
much.
perfect. Thank you so much.
And then you found us on the internet or Google? How'd you find us?
YouTube, I think.
Through what?
YouTube, I think.
YouTube? Yep, YouTube.
Yeah,
This
YouTube.
is where this is going to be a YouTube.
I think for those floors, it's very helpful when you see kind of before and after videos.
Yeah.
And I found kind of another person who was like way not in California.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Brian was quite here in the, as a neighbor.
Well, we appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Thank you.